Want to learn how to rewire your brain for love, happiness, and success? For real? Stay tuned. I'm Dr. Diana Kirshner. You may know me from my Amazon Prime video, Love in 90 Days. And today we're going to talk about how to actually rewire your brain to create the kind of life that really calls to you. You know, I see it all the time. People are up to creating something big in their lives, something really big. You know, they want to find the one, they want that passionate soulmate love. They want to start an amazing family. They may want a career that feeds their soul, that absolutely feeds their soul, and also gives them the kind of income they really, really deserve. Or they just want to feel better. They want to feel happier in their lives. They want to feel more deserving, more confident, you know. But so often there's one big, big unconscious block that is stopping them. It's just standing in the way of their getting their dream. And it's amazing how often this happens. It's just so common. You know, for example, there was my student, Melissa. Now, Melissa really wanted to find the one. She wanted to start a family. She wanted to, you know, she had this vision and she really worked at it. She created a vision board. She read every article she could find on dating. She read all the dating books and she started implementing lots of things that got the guys, you know. So she was dating up a storm. She was actually dating up a storm. But here's what happened. This big unconscious block was standing in her way, so that every time she would reach this one point in a relationship with a great guy where somehow he kind of felt like he had her, he would freak out and he would disappear on her and he would abandon her. It kept happening over and over and over. Actually, at around between 3 to 6 months into the dating relationship, she would have this heartbreak happening over and over again. And this went on for years, absolutely went on for years. And finally, she met me. You know, we sat down and talked, and I realized she was doing almost everything right, except deep within, she wasn't wiring her brain for success. She just wasn't. Her brain was immersed in a great deal of negative self-talk, like, you know, no one will ever really choose me. You know, I'm too old to really build a family. I'm always going to be abandoned. You know, this kind of negative self-talk. Now, Melissa's brain was sabotaging her at every turn. Her wish, her will was to have love, but her physiology, her brain physiology was not choosing love. It was causing a lot of upsetting feelings in her heart, upsetting feelings of disappointment and of heartbreak. Hey, Maria. Hey, Carrie. So it was creating, her body was busy feeling very bad. Um, and so many people are listening to their own negative self-talk. You know, it comes from the part of the identity that I call the disappointing self-identity. This disappointing self-identity is insidious. Sometimes it's just below the surface of your mind. You know, it's not quite conscious, but it's waiting, lurking underneath the surface of your mind for something to go wrong. And then, like an alligator, it pulls you down. It pulls you down into disappointment, even when things are actually going well, which is really strange. Sometimes even more so when things are going well. There's somehow this kind of negative pull down into disappointment or feeling bad or heartbreak. So, so let's do a little, hey, Betty, let's do a little bit of an exercise right now that breaks that pattern that tends to begin to rewire your brain a little bit. You want to break that pattern of negative self-talk that's coming from the disappointing self-identity. And a really powerful way to do that is to actually do a little exercise that brings you into the present moment. So I'd love for you to just right now close your eyes and follow this sound into the silence. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Now you see, when you follow the sound into the silence, it takes you away from that pattern of disappointing self-talk. Let's do it one more time. Follow that sound into the silence. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. One more time. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now I want you to just allow yourself a little fantasy of what it would be like to have the future you really desire, to be on the beach with your beloved. Maybe you're getting married, to actually finding that darling little house that you want to live in, or working at a job that totally fulfills you, that really feels like it's your mission, it's your purpose in life that actually pays you really beautifully. Let's just take a few minutes and imagine the scene, whatever scene comes to you. Beautiful, 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 my loves, beautiful. And I want you to just give gratitude in that moment as you envision the scene. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. And giving thanks. Beautiful. Beautiful. Giving thanks tends to activate the universe to create what it is you would love to have in your life. And the universe will come back and actually bring you something even better than you ever imagined. I know you may not be feeling that right now, but that's the way it really works. You know, over the past 25 years, I felt so many people escape their disappointing self-talk and make dramatic changes in their lives. In fact, Melissa, who I just told you about, I just went to her wedding, which was extraordinary and beautiful and actually beyond her wildest dreams. So I know without a doubt that you can make the life changes, that you really desire. I know that you can meet the man, the soulmate, the man of your dreams. I know that you can have a job that really feeds your soul. I know that you can, because I've seen it happen so many times. I know that you can create the kind of happiness that you want in your life, the kind of carefree joy, the being in the moment. I know that you can create it. And it's just a matter of taking a few key steps. And I'm beyond excited to tell you how. I have a brand new free video training series that's just opened up a couple of days ago. I mean, it's incredible. And this allows me to drill down and really help you make some changes. This is much deeper than the live, anything I could go into in the live. It's called the 3 Must-Know Secrets to Get the Love, Life, and Career You Want. And in it, I give you all the keys you need to totally shift your life in any area, whether it's your love life, your career, or finding confidence, finding the kind of happiness you really, really want. And it's so exciting because this is really a profound gift for you. I mean, you really will be able to drill down and make some changes. In fact, the very first video has a very powerful process that enables you to quickly release the self-doubt and the fears that keep you unhappy and stuck. We're already getting great comments about how this video has helped people create breakthroughs in their lives, like the one that Melissa had. So all you need to do is go to my brand new university, which just opened, and it's called lovin90daysuniversity.com. That's lovin90daysuniversity.com, lovin90daysuniversity.com. And you'll be able to get your 3 free training videos that will take you deep. You'll also learn the #1 mistake that's keeping you from the love life and career you want and how to fix it once and for all. The ultimate secret for turning setbacks and heartbreaks into triumphs, and my secret method for creating soulmate love that lasts, and so much more. I'm just so thrilled to have this resource for you. This is something that I've been dreaming about for a long time. Talk about things coming true, dreams coming true, you know, but it's there now, and it's already really doing the kind of growth work and giving breakthroughs to people that I truly want, and it feeds my soul. I'll tell you that much. It really feeds my soul. So to get your free training, just go to loveinninetydaysuniversity.com, and I will put a link in the comments section for you so that you can go there. And I can't wait to hear how you've broken through your negative self-talk to create the life you really deserve. And you do. You're a seeker. You're here. You're learning. I'm so impressed with you. I'm so proud of you for working on things. And now you can actually go and break through and create amazing things in your life. And once again, you deserve it. You deserve it all. Lots of love, you guys. So check out the link in the comments below. Love you. Take care.